My uncle gave me this name. Basically, he is also a media person. He works in Doordarshan, and he's known for his good taste. So he was the one who gave me his name. In Tamil Nadu, this name is particularly familiar because it is the name of the wife of Thiruvalluvar. I'm sure people are familiar with this name, who wrote Tirukkural. So basically, it's in the name of his wife. So that way, it is popular in Tamil Nadu. So Vasuki is a typical, you can say, a Tamil name. I've changed like 7 schools during my school days because my father's was a transferable job. So I've never stayed in a place for more than 3 years together, ever since I was born. So I've changed 7 different schools, and that has given me a lot of exposure. And even till date, I don't think I'm staying in a place for 2 years together. So I've been always on the move. So yes, anything particular? The schooling in Pudukkottai is the most remembered one. You know, that's where I really developed my skills, and I think it has helped me for becoming whatever I am today. So I learned a lot of things when I was in that school. It has very good extracurricular activities. So I learned yoga, I learned Bharatanatyam, I learned music, I learned a lot of things basically. So it was an amazing school in Pudukkottai, Virams Matriculation School, and I'll always remember that school. My parents were in Andhra at that time, and I was staying with my grandparents. And my grandfather, who just recently passed away, was an inspiring figure at that time, and he was the one who was behind, inculcating these skills in me. And he was a very vibrant figure too at the time of my schooling. Uh, and because I was away from my parents, and I think at those times, I was the only kid who was away from my parents. So the teachers there really took special care of me because I was away from my parents. So that way, I was really emotionally attached to that school. Especially there was this Mr. Jerry Lewis, who was my English teacher. He really liked me. And of course, my dance teacher, Mr. G.N. Shaktivel, he is actually a disciple of Mr. Yesudas. And he's the dance teacher, he's also my music teacher. So he was a great inspirational figure, mainly for his passion for whatever he worked for. So as a matter of fact, if I had, he had wanted me to become an artist more than an intellectual. But of course, I couldn't do that. So I chose to be in, concentrate more in studies rather than in arts. Well, you just asked me why you didn't become an actress or whatever. I don't know. I never, I don't know. When I was a kid, I should frankly say that I was not a very confident person. I didn't know that I was beautiful, or even I didn't even think about all those things. But what I remember is that ever since I was a kid, I wanted to contribute to the society. I don't know how this thought came inside me, but ever since I was a kid, I wanted to pick up a line that would allow me to contribute to the society. Even a lot of people didn't take me seriously. People used to make fun of me, so I stopped saying my ambition out loud. But I had it in my mind, and that's why motivated me to become a doctor. So I joined Madras Medical College. I was the state topper in one of the subjects in the state entrance examination for the medical examination. So I was a state topper, and I got into Madras Medical College, which is one of the top institutions in Tamil Nadu. And college days were again the most memorable because I met my husband there. We had been friends ever since we were there. From first year, we've been friends. We were a gang of 8, and we are all still in touch with each other. And me and my husband were part of that gang. So it is full of beautiful memories. I'll never forget my college. I still wish I can get back to my college days. We were like the most fun gang in the college. Wherever fun is happening, our gang has to be there. Otherwise, there is no fun. That's how our gang was known. So we were the most fun-loving people. We had the most amazing time in college. Studies became secondary at that time. It was more fun. And as I said, because I met my husband there and we've been together ever since, it really carries a special memory. I love movies, especially English movies. And nowadays, for the past 4-5 years, Tamil movies are also good. And now to learn the language, I've started watching Malayalam movies also. And I'm really starting to like it. They are close to reality and very beautifully made. So I'm slowly watching Malayalam movies also. I love songs. Music is my favorite. Every day morning, I have to switch on my laptop and listen to music when I, get ready to office. I love music. I like a lot of songs. I like, Rahman. I like Ilayaraja. I like R.D. Burman, S.D. Burman in Hindi. And I like Bryan Adams in English. And a lot of good, songs in, English songs is also something I really love to listen.
നമ്മൾ പ്രണയത്തിൽ ഭക്തി എന്നൊരു വികാരം ഉള്ള ചില ഗാനങ്ങൾ ആ കാലഘട്ടം അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് ചർച്ച ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
ഗാനം കേൾക്കാൻ
ഈ ഓങ്കാരം ചൊല്ലുന്ന ഈ ചുണ്ടുകൾ കൊണ്ട് ഈ പ്രേമത്തിന്റെ കാകളി ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെ പാടും നാഥ. പ്രണയത്തിൽ ഭക്തി എന്നുള്ള വികാരം അലിഞ്ഞു ചേർന്നിട്ടില്ല എന്നുള്ളതൊരു സത്യം തന്നെയാണ്.
മധുര പേരായിരം മനസ്സിനുണ്ടെങ്കിലും മറ്റുള്ള